my time, you are I want. Neither of us wanna be alone.
Okay, g'day, Rudy here. We've got another Morley Fool article by Goldman Sachs brokers. Why BHP in this ASX dividend stock could rise 20%. Right, that's a catchy headline. Okay, so BHP is a popular one out there. Would it be a good option for investors now? So BHP, they like it in demand copper. Yet copper's making a big move. They remain bullish on copper. Yep, so do I. Based on the current share price of $28, their dividend yields of 4.25. Okay, now let's see. This is fully franked dividend yields of 4.25. So it already includes the franking credit. So an unfranked dividend of 3.5% or so. So you know they're getting desperate when they start talking in fully franked terms. And they also see a $47 price target over the next 12 months. Let's just see. Okay, now the problem, yes, copper's on a roll, but the problem is BHP makes most of its revenue, half of it from iron ore, which isn't performing very well at the moment. I'll put at the end of this video a more in-depth review I did of BHP, which goes into all these three asset classes. But just on their share price, you can see it's formed this downtrend channel. Got these big long wicks here, these hammer candles, so it's trying to break that resistance, but nah. So it's currently giving this support line at $37 a real crack, and by the way that's looking, it's going to break. So in terms of getting to $47, I don't think so. And when you can get a dividend yield of 4.9% in a term deposit, why would you bother chasing a 4.7% frank dividend? Yeah, I don't understand. Alright, so the next one they had was Accent Group. It could be a buy according to Goldman Sachs. A great option for income investors. Key pick in our retail sector coverage. Fully franked dividend equates to a yield of 7-8%. Yeah, okay. Well, that seems pretty attractive. It's better than a term deposit. And a buy rating of $2.75. Potential upside of 53%. Oh my god, it's a no-brainer. Okay, well, let's have a look. Okay, Mr. Accent. Wow, that's the most ugliest looking chart I've seen. So it's breaking down from this this flag pattern here. If it had a broken above here and taken out, if those candles, if we saw a big green candle here, then that's a buy. But you've broken that down, this channel line up here. Monthly candles we're looking at. Big red one last month. Looks like it's going to smash through this support level. So what target did they give? $2.75. So I'll give them $1 million if it gets to there. So it's going to break it, and so you're probably looking realistically at a drop from there to there. Sorry, let me get the ruler out again. So a drop of 30%, call it. Yeah, 30%. So it's probably going to come back down here, test it, and then over time, if things turn out good, it might get back to where it is now. So I think the boys at Goldman Sachs aren't doing a great job. That's chasing. Hey, but as the price gets down here, that dividend will be like 10-11%. All right. If you really want to buy a share with a dividend growth, I put this video out a month or so ago. But this is the one you want. APA, pipeline stock. So just gas pipelines and green energy pipelines, 7% div, and I reckon there's 20% growth in there. So if you do want to buy a share with income, that's what I'd be picking. Otherwise, stick to the term deposit, 4.9%. Alright, thank you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. Just to know that there's plenty of videos on my homepage. I've got a section on videos on the gold silver series, and why I'm bullish on them. A section on Aussie miners. A section on ETFs ready to buy or sell. A section on shares ready to buy or sell. Some forecasts of the market in there. Some crackers. Some reviews of what the experts tell you and how much crap they can talk. Some educational videos. Some charting education videos. Some videos on how my performance is going to show I know what I'm talking about, and some videos on crypto. So how can you get there easily? In the description page of each video, just click on down here and that'll take you there. Thanks a lot.
Never waste my time. You are I want.